Alright, like we promised, we're going to be doing the technique for rebotes. Rebotes, also in English, is called rebound or rock step. Yep. So, how is the technique? Let me show you in front of you. We are going to do this. Step forward, transfer body weight, and come back. That's basically it. But also we have to consider that we are going to be disassociating. Rock step, without moving my foot from the back, without putting feet together, we come back to the same point. Yes? If I show it to you from the side, this is how it looks. Rock and change. If you notice, I'm coming back to the exact same point. Make sure when we do this, tack, don't bring your back foot together to the front leg. Leave it there as a reference point, anchor point if you will, and come back. If we change the leg, it's exactly the same work. So, when we are doing this, we have to keep in mind that we keep the level of the torso without tilting. Tip number one. Now, we're going to do it again to the front, opening the position of your foot. That's a very good technique also to help you rotate easier, opening your left shoulder blade and come back. Also will have a cleaner work. Yep. Change body weight. We go with the right leg. Boom, boom, boom. Now let me show it to you again from the side. Hip moves a little more forward than our torso. Tack. Hip moves a little more and we come back. Same with the other. Tack and two. So the head does not travel as much as the hip. Yep. Now we're going to see the back rock step. Also we have this association and the same anchor point, but in this case will be with the front leg. Let me show it to you from the side. We are going to do rock step, rebote, and we disassociate. We're going to make an effort with the left leg, in this case, to leave it on the same point, almost extending, almost like a kick, yes? Extending, and we come back. Let me do it one more time. Pum, wham, pum, pum. So when we are moving back, make sure you don't contract the front leg. Try to leave it extended in a way that we can disassociate and come back to the same point. If we change body weight to the right, it will be exactly the same technique, but opening the right shoulder blade. Right shoulder, extending, and coming back. One more time with the left going back. Pum, 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 pum. Now, follow me. I'm going to rotate so you can follow me. And we are going to do 2 rebotes front and 2 rebotes back. And we'll try to keep the beat. Yes, so we can also keep the continuity on the exercise. Yes, let me rotate and we'll do this. We are going to start up first with the left leg. So, and with this association. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and change. 3, and don't change. We hold, because with the same leg, we go back. Rock and change, back with the left. Rock and feet together without changing. Again, we'll repeat with the left. 1 and 2, 3 and hold. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8.
Thanks for watching the video.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel down below.